In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Visa gift card to your Steam account. If you've recently received a Visa gift card and you're eager to use it to snag some great games on Steam, then you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that there's no confusion along the way. First, ensure that your Visa gift card has been activated and has enough balance. You have to register the card, especially if it's a physical one. On some cases, you'll find instructions on the card packaging or the card itself. This is an important step you don't want to skip. Without registration, your card might not work for online transactions. Once you've registered the card, go ahead and boot up your computer. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Steam website, which is steampowered.com, or launch the Steam application directly if you have it installed. Log in with your Steam credentials. It's crucial to have access to your account and password information to make this process smooth. Once you're logged into your account, look towards the upper right section of the Steam interface for your account's name. Hover over it and a drop-down menu should appear. Here, you'll find the option labeled Account Details. Click on that to proceed. In the Account Details page, you'll see a section called Store Purchase History. You're going to want to look for an option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Clicking on this will allow you to add balance to your Steam account using various methods, one of which is a credit card. Next, you'll be prompted to select the amount of funds you'd like to add to your Steam wallet. Choose the amount that fits your Visa gift card balance. It's usually a good idea to have slightly less than the total balance to account for any additional fees or taxes that might apply during a transaction. Once you've selected your amount, go ahead and choose Visa as your payment option. Enter all the information exactly as displayed on the gift card. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV code, which is generally found on the back of the card. Ensure that the billing address matches the one associated with the Visa gift card. Failure to do so could lead to a declined transaction. After entering all this information, take a moment to double-check. Once you're sure everything is accurate, hit Continue or proceed to process the payment. If everything is correct, you should see a successful transaction message and your Steam wallet will be credited with the specified amount. And that's it! You're ready to use your Steam wallet funds to buy games, software, or in-game items. If any issues arise, double-check your card details and ensure your balance is sufficient. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!